my numbers, and you might
Mm-hmm.
actually get a better result from it than someone who's knee deep in this stuff.
Oh, I remember 7 years ago when I started this, and it was first when Zebra came out with their RFID tags to put into the jerseys. And I was, I had this premise, it was at the time, there was unfortunately a lot of negative press about players, abusing their loved ones. And I just remember thinking, this has got to affect gameplay. And so I created this index around their social presence of what they were saying and then what they weren't saying in terms of their stress levels. Do they have events going on in their life? And scraping together both their, what they're putting down in social media as well as their video feeds. So looking at their face, is it matching the words that they're saying, and basically munging this together into this player game ready day, play. And that's how I was able to determine who to play and bench in a given week without knowing really anything about them, in addition to other obvious, more obvious metrics. And I think it's therein lies, if you think about in healthcare with social determinants of health, the things that go around you that affect your health. I think that is really the secret sauce to the play. And then when you augment it with the stuff around, like what Darren said, the safety measures with their jerseys. Imagine as a coach now, I know that you're in a mental state that maybe isn't the best. And now I know physically you're not, optimizing or running at what I expect you to be. Now I can make some decisions around, let's not have you get injured. Let's have you sit down a few cycles, even if you are the Tom Brady of the game. Is that better than having you get injured and then be out for weeks? I think so. But I don't, again, not being a watcher of sports, I don't know.